Good afternoon, everybody. What's happening? What's cracking? What's shaking? If you're with me here in the chat, in YouTube, or in Kick, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us. We got some breaking news to talk about. What in the world? I'm so confused by this news. There's some breaking news that's out. Some breaking news that we got to talk about here. This is crazy. I'm actually shocked by this. I'm not even trolling. Kaz Cuts, BJO, Daz, Coobs, Anthony Docs, Cube Q, Wrist Flare, T-Rock, George Marco, J Trades, BLT, Luliao, Jacob, Day Trader Rick, Devs Trades, Wander Futures, Yaz, JT Cook, Cube Q, Tito, Devs Trades. Good morning. What's happening? Do you guys know what the news is? This is crazy, crazy, crazy breaking news. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows what the news is? Come on. Who knows? Somebody's got to know. I'm not even trolling. It's real news. It's nothing to do with me. Dude, come on. Dude, nobody knows? Wow. Okay, actually important breaking news. Fed Governor Miran has reportedly resigned his White House position. Crazy. He is going to be leaving his post as the chair of Council of Economic Advisors to take the temporary position posting as Fed governor in September. He will continue to serve on the Fed until a replacement is confirmed. So that's breaking news. That's pretty crazy. I didn't think that was going to happen. Crazy. I did not see that one coming. I don't know if we're going to trade in GLOBEX just yet. I'm just looking to see. Metals have kind of chilled out. We had a long period of consolidation in metals, especially in silver. I mean, look at silver's final kind of, I mean, it's a big range, obviously, but I mean, that's a huge range. It's almost 3 points, but I mean, it's chilled out a little bit. Look at gold, though. Look at gold session. I mean, compared to what we've seen lately, yes, I get it's 100 points, but still, it's been chilling out a little bit. NASDAQ is kind of what I want to focus on here, given that, you know, it has an opportunity to move around here. I mean, we'll see. The hourly high was way up here into the close, but we are kind of draining. I don't know if I'm going to take any trades. Everything is back at zero now. TPT, Take Profit Trader. I have $11,000 of drawdown in each of my accounts. I'm thinking, like, I don't know about this idea, but I'm thinking that I might. I'm not sure. Hold on one second. Long stream. There we go. I'm thinking about maybe taking out $1,000 per account or $1,200 per account. I don't know. I'm not really sure. Jay Cook, Coach Jay, what's up, Eddie? Mr. J. Coach Jay is in the house. What's up, baby? How are you? What was the news you're talking about, Ribs? Hopped on as you were just finished talking. I feel like you're trolling. Dude, Coach Jay has been on fire. Give it up for Coach Jay, by the way. Give it up for Coach Jay. On fire lately. Well deserved, brother. Well deserved. Been on fire lately. So we're back at big zeros across the board. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So let's see what the market gives us in the way of opportunities here. Right now, NASDAQ's moving sideways. But yeah, it's really been inspiring to see Coach Jay just actually just crushing these markets in his element. I love to see any traders that, experienced traders especially like Coach Jay, who've been putting in the time. And it's like, just to see them crushing it now is just like, I mean, Jay's been a crusher, but like late, it's been like, whoa. It's like Jay 2.0, the Terminator. He's like killing it, dude. It's awesome to see. Like, tell me, like, this is some of the bigger P&Ls that you've pulled down in your career, right? These last few weeks. If I'm not mistaken, call me out. I'm pretty sure these are some big numbers I'm seeing, like 5-figure day after 5-figure day after 5-figure day. Am I wrong? It's been insane to watch. Very inspiring. We are seeing NASDAQ rolling over a bit here. Make sure all of your copy groups are selected to the right group here, because it can get a little hairy if not. Make sure all of your copy groups in Tradeovate are selected properly. This is a big spread we're seeing in the NASDAQ right now. This is one of the better runs for sure, if not the best. Not the biggest day yet, but we keep working. Yeah, it'll come, brother. Don't force things, and it'll come. I like what I'm seeing, though. It's definitely very cool to see that and be able to kind of ride shotgun with you. We're at the previous week low right now. If we can tuck below that 69.30 level in the S&Ps, maybe we find a shot lower here. Let's see. Curious to see if we can actually break below this. There might be a little push lower. Curious if we can barrel down below these 70s at all. Right now we're at the previous week low and bouncing. See if these 70s can get face checked. I want to see a roll through 65 now. 70s are currently holding. S&Ps have the chance to break through 69.30 to the downside. So that's what I'm watching for here. Wait and see. 65s are still holding in the NAS. I want to see that move down a little bit further. 70s are still kind of dancing here. Let's see. Wow, gold and silver are moving like crazy. I might actually pay attention to those. Dude, silver is getting smashed right now. Holy smokes. Silver and gold are getting cracked open, dude. Wow. Totally missed silver. Silver's getting just destroyed right now. Holy smokes. See if there's something in gold over here. Yeah, gold just had a tremendous roll. Right now at 49.40. If gold can break through that 49.30 to the downside, I'm just watching here. Let's see if gold can do it. I'm watching to see if it holds below 49.40 here. A little bounce in silver as well, but they're trying to break down below 49.40 here. Watching. If this does continue this roll, it'll be tremendously strong. S&Ps are picking back up a little bit. Watching here on gold. Spreads are opening up a little bit here. Silver's at the point of control. Back at 49.50. Gold is trying, let's see. Watching. Watching for gold here at 49.50. It is pushing up a little bit here. It's trying again at 49.50. Let's see if it holds below this or if it wants to pick back up towards 49.60, because this could be a massive move if it rechecks this Asia high area. So just watching here and seeing. S&Ps are starting to roll a little bit here. Watching here at 49.50 again. Right now it's tucking a little bit below. It's coming down a little bit more here. Let's see. It's holding just at 49.50 here, so let's wait and see. A lot of kerfuffleation here at that 49.50 level. It's like frozen in time right now. Maybe we see if NASDAQ has any opportunities here. NASDAQ still just kind of chopping around. See if we get any kind of follow-up here. Something that we could take. Yeah, it's very, very low volume right now. Extremely low volume. I was expecting a little bit more after that flush down in gold. We are seeing S&Ps pushing up. NASDAQ is pushing up here a little bit. Wow, NASDAQ is starting to go some. NASDAQ pushing back up to this new hourly high. Gold might be rolling here. Let's see. Gold back at this 50 level. Just been very choppy so far. Yeah, still very, very choppy. Put on some more upbeat music here. That's not upbeat. There we go. Yeah, gold's just holding at 50 here. S&Ps are pushing up. Gold can't figure out whether or not it wants to face down these 50s. That was a really nice roll in silver that we missed. We were just looking at NASDAQ the whole time, unfortunately. NASDAQ is still pushing up a little bit here. Same thing with S&Ps. It's definitely climbing higher. Maybe NASDAQ wants to go a little bit. It is perking a little bit higher above these 420s. 420s were a huge line in the sand in NASDAQ during the GLOBEX session, if you're watching that. It was a huge line in the sand. So seeing that perk up a little bit here. It is opening up a little bit. Can it hold this push above the 25 level? Watching to see if it's going to blow out these 30s or not. Spreads are a little bit wide. It's trying to break out of this 30 level. There is a strong bid underneath. I think this should force us through 30s, perhaps. Let's see. Strong bid underneath is holding for now. There's a big cover up there at those 30s. I want to see if we can start pushing through this, opening up a little bit. Start screaming a little bit higher. Still stacking here. It is opening up a little bit. I'm curious what's going to happen if we get all the way up to 450 here now. Yeah, it's still leaning on a lot of these offers, and it's just not enough to hold it back yet. Yeah, it's still pushing pretty hard here. Let's see. So back down to 35. Let's see if it holds this pullback. Currently holding. It is walking higher. Let's see if we get a face check through these 40s now. I want to see more volume coming through as well. $35s, there is an offer stack above 35s there. Watching. Volume is tremendously low as it stands right now. But if this can start to walk back up through that offer at 35, I think that we could push through. So let's watch. Spreads are super wide here. Right now at these 30s. Bit of overhead compression. There are still people buying on the offer. Right now it is starting to roll a little bit underneath those 30s, so let's wait and see. Do we recover back above those 30s, or does it push lower? Right now it is pushing a little bit lower. Just watching to see if we get any kind of clean retracement here. It is walking back up to that 30 level and trying to push through right now. Volume's still tremendously low, but we are trying to push back up through that 35 level. So I'm watching here on this push back up. Nice retracement. Let's see if we pop that 40 level. I think we can have a good shot at that. Watching up here at these 40s. Again, dealing with a little bit of overhead supply and lower volume. It's a little bit tough to judge whether or not we're going to pop through these areas. So stronger offers are coming through, but a lot of buying is still coming through on the offer side. So if we pop out that 40, I think it'll run pretty fast. I'm just watching for that initial pop through 40. Offers still coming in. Slight little pullback there. Again, dealing with the same type of pullback that we had before. Waiting to see if we reclaim 30 again. Definitely slower movement than what I'm used to. That's for sure. So coming back down to those 20s, there is a bigger offer that's come through. S&Ps are failing this zone for the time being. But let's see. Now heavier offers coming through on the supply side. I want to see if they swipe at this at all. If there's no swipes, okay, they just swiped it. I was going to say, if there's no swipes, it's pretty likely we'll come back down to 400. Gold's still doing fuck all. Silver is still doing fuck all. Still a lot of offers here. We are still swiping at these offers, which makes it a little bit confusing. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of offers being stacked now. A lot of offers overhead. Yeah, still heavy offers coming in. The movement is very rigid. I'm curious if we're going to make it down to VWAP. And if we can flush VWAP, we are going through a volume shelf here in the S&Ps. They're pulling offers now. Which means you might see them slam that into the bid. How do you load more than 1 hour in Bookmap? You have to get the DX feed history for 14 bucks a month. Still coming down here, watching to see what happens. Maybe we start rejecting below the VWAP. We're right at the VWAP here and now. There are some sellers. That's the previous quarter mid as well. So if this does start to roll, I could see this getting pretty violent, but we're at a very key area here. So we're right at the VWAP. Let's see what happens. Right at 400 now. We're literally standing at the VWAP. Previous quarter mid and VWAP right here now. S&Ps are starting to curl down a little bit too. Very slow movement still. We have come down about 40 handles there from the top side. Nice, Gringo El Diablo with the one gifted. Thank you. Curious to see what happens here at 400. It's anybody's ball game, really. See anything happening from here? Like to see some more volume coming in at the bottom of the hour as well. If they break below 400, we could get some momentum to the downside and possibly trade down to 360, but right now there's no volume in this market. We're seeing metals starting to roll a little bit here. Let's see. Metals starting to move. Back at 49.50. Surprise, surprise. Metals at 49.50 again. Shocker. seems to be the contention point right now in gold is 49.50. Silver is rolling, gold is holding. Back to NASDAQ. NASDAQ is also holding here. Waiting for earnings. What earnings? What are you talking about? What earnings are you waiting for, brother? What? What the fuck are you talking about? I have no idea what drugs you're on, homie. That's funny. Yeah, we're waiting on earnings tomorrow. We are pushing back up. We held at 400s. Now we're pushing back up ever so slowly. S&P's a lot slower than NASDAQ. Right now it is pushing back up. It's trying to reclaim 20s here. It's trying. It's going for more. Can we get through 25s here? This could be some nice momentum if we pop these 25s. Not yet. Market says not yet. It's trying, but there's a lot of overhead supply coming through. A lot. Market says no dice. Oh, I hate this song. I hate when this comes on. Can't stand that one. What does SMB stand for? Use your imagination. We are coming back down here. We rejected at 425. Big rejection here. Back down to 410. Holding right below 410 here. I'm curious if we're actually going to face down to these 400s. Right now, it's just very, very choppy. Not a lot of movement in the market here. I'm going to take a quick little bathroom break, see if the market... Wait, whoa. At the moment I say that, hold on, we get some movement here. Hold on. Back at the VWAP, let's see. Hold on. Hold the phone. Easy does it. Hold on. Hold on. The moment I say something about leaving, the market's like, hold on a second. Hold my beer. Are these really... How big are these spreads? 2-point spreads right now in the market? It's trying to break below 400 for the time being. It's trying to break below. Can it actually hold this connection below? It's trying. It's going for it. Let's see if it holds this pressure below. It's going for more. But will it hold underneath 400 without a bounce? That's the question. Right now, this is the lower end of this volume shelf. If it holds below this, it will definitely face lower. It's trying. Going for a little bit more and bouncing. There's some defense coming in, a little bit of defense. Let's see if it holds. Bigger defense still. I want to see sellers through 85, if it can find that. Right now, a lot of dancing. $10 contracts below us. I want to see if they swipe that or not. If they do, spreads are opening up again. 9 contracts sold into the bid. They're trying. Every pullback up, they're trying to bring it back down. It's just trying to find that extra liquidity. Let's see what happens at these 90s here. Yeah, they keep walking it back up. Straight back up to that 400 area. Let's see if they hold underneath. They're trying. They're giving it the old college try. Let's watch 90s here. They're trying to fade this a little bit here. Very, very choppy. Denied again. Underneath 400. Let's see. 95 is holding here now. I want to see them sweep this all the way to 85 if possible. Watching here below 90s again. There's a lot of liquidity right here at 90s that they can't get through just yet. I'm watching to see if they can break that. Right now it's holding just below. There's definitely some people that are trying to get filled underneath 95 there. So right at 95, can it find this strength to touch below 90? Or will it go to 400 first? It's right at the daily open again. It's trying, it's trying, it's trying. A lot of liquidity underneath. They keep sweeping it. Nobody wants to be the first one in the pool below 95. So if this doesn't work, I'm taking a bathroom break. Some sellers trying to push a little bit. It's right there at 95. Watching here for the connection below 90. Can they hold this connection through the 90s? There might be an iceberg here. Watching. Somebody tap below 90s. It's very touch and go right at that 90 level. Very touch and go. Nobody, there we go. Nobody wants to be that person to slam through 85s yet. They're trying. There they go. They're trying at 85. Boy, howdy, they're trying. S&Ps are trying too. Somebody always has to get in the good way of a good sell like that. So annoying. We did not get that push right through 85 that we're looking for, unfortunately. I really wanted that push through 85. If we had that connection through 85, that would have been perfect. It's right at the daily open. We get that flush right there. It's GG's. A lot of liquidity down here. The longer we hold down here, I think the more likely it is that we're going to push right back up above 400. Very, very slow market here. Very, very slow market. Yesterday's GLOBEX was much more exciting than this. It was way more exciting than this. We had that beautiful connection lower, just below 85 that we're looking for, and it just kind of pittered. So we might not have much movement in today's GLOBEX session, unfortunately. Very, very slow. See if we get this push back down. Maybe it will try to face check those 80s again. But right now it's just very, very slow underneath this 400 level. Extremely, extremely slow. It's trying. Checking 85s again. Can it break through? This is a big level. If it can break that 85 level, it's huge. It's a massive, massive level. It can break through 85. You see there's some sellers that are trying. S&Ps are trying to push as well. Can we get that forceful push through 85? It might have to take like 10 tries, but it's trying so hard to do it. Just watching to see if there's anybody that's going to take the bait for that snap below 85 there. Right now, pushing right back up. All right, as that waits, I'm going to take a little restroom break. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, I'm back. And look at that. 85 still not clapped. This might be a short GLOBEX trade. There's just like literally nothing happening here. It's so boring. Like gold is literally middle of the line. S&Ps, NASDAQ refusing to break. I don't know what we do. I don't know what to do. It's just nothing doing. Maybe at the top of the hour there'll be something, but do we wait that long? Do we wait that long? I don't know. I do not know, homies. What do you think? What do we do? 8 p.m. 8 p.m. is a long time for now. I'm just trying to think what we do here. What to do, what to do, what to do. There's just nothing is happening. It's like we're in a fucking like 5-handle range right now. Gold's moving? No, it's not. Gold ain't moving either. Nothing's moving. Wait 20 minutes. I really thought GLOBEX would be cooler than this, man. There's just nothing is fucking moving. Yo, man, planning on giving myself a personal account at the end of the year. What amount would you recommend to start with? Fund it with all of your prop firm earnings from the year. With 25%, 20% of your prop firm earnings. What's the destination for vacation this year? The Las Vegas Strip, baby. Obviously, the Las Vegas Strip. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think we'll have to wait for the, is gold moving at all? Gold is moving slightly. That 49.50 level is everything. Do. I have 25K TPTs there, nice and easy to pass. Dude, the 25K TPTs are definitely a very nice account. Highly recommend those. 100%. 100%, bro. Absolutely. 100%. Like, no question, bro. What in the Monsters Inc. is going on here? Is this Monsters Inc. music? I don't know the Monsters Inc. music. Should I? Am I supposed to know the Monsters Inc. music? Am I supposed to know it? I don't think I've ever seen that movie in my life. If I'm being honest, I don't think I've ever seen that movie in my entire life. I don't know they listen to smooth jazz in that fucking movie. That's hilarious. That's actually fucking hilarious. I don't know. Do we try and see if NASDAQ is actually... Dude, this is horrendous. This is like the worst GLOBEX I've ever seen. This is garbage. I don't know what to look at, champions. There's like nothing is moving. Oh, NASDAQ waking up a little bit. Dude, it's not even. It's like $2 spreads. This is horrible. Look at this. NQ pops up to 400 and then comes back down and like with no strength. It's just wiggle dicking. Gold is kind of, but not even, bro. Gold is not doing shit either. I don't know what to look at. There's nothing. There's fucking nothing. I don't know what to do. Like, there's nothing moving. Literally nothing is moving right now. It's horrible. I don't know what to do. Maybe gold's gonna go a little bit higher. Silver's starting to push for it, but we're like right at a tipping point. I don't know what to do. It's annoying. Bees are calling. I'm not gambling till tomorrow. I mean, gold is trying to push here. Can it actually hold the push though? I mean, it's trying to. I feel like it's probably just gonna get fucking ricocheted right back down though. You know what I mean? GLOBEX is you trying to pick a higher low and pray you didn't pick the consolidation area. I mean, this is just garbage though. There's just nothing. Okay, gold's coming back down. Gold's moving a little bit. Silver going too. Can't even see. Okay, silver's rolling a little bit, but dun 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 dun. What do you think? Does gold come down from here? Maybe. It's trying to a little bit. It's trying to, but then it's bouncing almost immediately. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know. There's just like no congruency. Dude, silver's like gapping in ticks and prints. Like, usually is after the first 15 minutes and 8 p.m. Bro, we are 2 hours or an hour and 13 minutes from 8 p.m., bro. I don't know if I could stick around for that long. That's a long ass fucking time. Yeah, I feel like wasn't yesterday's GLOBEX way more exciting than this? Didn't yesterday's GLOBEX have like a lot more excitement than this, or am I tripping? I thought it did. I swear to God, I thought it did. I thought there was like way more movement than this. Okay, I'm not crazy. This is probably the worst GLOBEX that we've seen then. Silver's like fucking huge spreads. NASDAQ's trying to push back up, but I don't trust it. After it went up to like 25, it immediately rejected. I don't know, man. NASDAQ's trying to go now. I'm trying to. Do we trust this? S&Ps are pushing up to 69.40. Do we trust this? I mean, it's like squeezing. Yeah, squeezing then dropping. Doot, 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 doot. S&Ps are right under 69.40, so I mean, I feel like it's just gonna reject and go straight back down and then not break 85 again. I feel like that's what it's gonna do, based on how slow this is moving. It's just so hard to get market-generated information when there's no market. That's why I'm struggling right now. There's no generated information because there's zero market. There's zero participation right now. Take care, Devs Trades. Yeah, I don't blame you. There's literally no market to be generating any information for me to trade off of. It's crazy. This is the worst. Everyone made their money today. Very well could be. That could be it for sure. There is a bid at 407. Kind of holding. What are the spreads are literally $2 fucking right now. $2 in the NASDAQ. What the fuck? Is it usually like, I don't remember GLOBEX being like this. No, I'm certainly not going to trade 100 contracts on this shit. No shot. No shot, brother. I don't know, champs. I think we might have to wait until tomorrow. Like, this is straight cheeks. Maybe we check at 4. Let's see what happens at 4. But this is cheeks right now. This is horrible. There's literally no market generated information. There's nothing to trade. 6940 is trying to trade out in the S&Ps, but nothing's doing. Need much more congruent movement than this. Right now, it's nothing. There's literally no movement. There's no volume. There's nothing. This is dog water. Straight dog water cheeks. Yeah, I go live at 8 a.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. now. We're live in 3 time slots. I don't know what I'm looking for. Like, I'm just staring at the chart like something's going to happen, and there's literally zero participation right now in every single instrument I'm looking at. 5 p.m. there will be, or sorry, 8 p.m. there will be movement because that's when equities close, and that's when everybody's kind of set free. 8 p.m. is what London or Asia open too, right? Da-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na. We're still underneath 69.40, so until we break 69.40, I don't think the NASDAQ is going to break above 420 at all. And 420 was a point of contention during like power hour-ish. So, I don't know. There may be movement in 10 minutes. Yeah, we're going to check in 10 minutes. If there's nothing, then there's nothing. Then we're out of here. Yeah, yesterday GLOBEX was very exciting. Today is just like, the only thing that was good was that gold and silver move that we completely missed. And then it just stayed at 49.50. Like it was just completely turned off. 69.40 is trading a little bit here. Dude, I got to work on my playlist for this slot. It's just too much. It's ridiculous. Bro, what is going on? Jesus, this music. Uh, 69.40 is trading through. Curious to see what happens at 420 here. If it's actually going to break through. There's people that are like feathering above that. Guess we have to wait for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Wait, Top Step just restricted metals in Sim and Live? You're kidding me. No, there's no way. I don't believe you. There's no way. Are you for real? You gotta be kidding me. There's no way. No way, dude. What? What? That's crazy, bro. Like, you can't trade them at all? At all? At all? Not even... Oh, you can trade them. Okay, 5 micros. That's fine. 15 micros max. That's fine. I thought you meant like they completely restricted them where you can't trade them. That would be horrendous. Yeah, limiting another that's limiting the number of contracts. That's not restricting. Restricting is like completely banning you from trading it. All right, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Fuck. This is so annoying. Dude, tomorrow when we stream tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning, it's going to feel like the market is in hyperspeed compared to this shit. This is so bad. This is like Captain Insano bad, bro. This is devastating. Five micros is plenty of contracts to trade on gold, believe me. Plenty, plenty, plenty. We're breaking out through those 20s very, very slowly, but immediately battered back down. It's like a wiggle of three handles there. I'm curious to see what's going to happen at 7 p.m. Right now, both of the indices are showing that they have a little bit of strength, but we're not breaking out of this flat top area. So I'm just waiting until the top of the hour, and then we'll see. It's 4 minutes now. 4 minutes. We're counting down the seconds right now. This is ridiculous. Counting down the seconds to trade for some type of movement that isn't dog water. A rejection at 69.40. It moved a total of 3 ticks. Envy, thank you for the 5 months. Once again, the music is just unbeaten here. I'm about ready to give up on the markets and give up on the music. This is fucking ridiculous, dude. It's like absurd. I can't. I give up. It's fucking unbelievable. Code for TPTs, rips all caps. So we pull back to 12. We're trading at 22. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes until we see if the market is going to move or not. Starting to open up a little bit here. Starting to squeeze some. S&Ps are going for those highs potentially. There is a lot of offers getting absorbed here though. It's concerning. On the NASDAQ. We have just over a minute now. Just over a minute. So let's wait and see. We're at the tippy top of this volume shelf in the S&Ps right now. Tippy, 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 tippy top. Remember when I said 7? Nope. Yeah, if this doesn't pan out, like we're gonna watch for like a couple few minutes. If this doesn't pan out, look at that, 120 contracts on the bid. I feel like that's a bluff. If this doesn't pan out, no bueno. We're out of here if this doesn't pan out. It feels like that's a bluff. The 120, yeah, look at that. Did they even take those? They did. Wow, they actually did take those contracts. I was like, that feels like a bluff, but they actually did take those contracts. Somebody actually sold into those 120 contracts. Wasn't me. Not this guy. Somebody's trying to support the bid with 120 contracts and some algorithm just was like, nom, 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 nom. Thank you. Probably somebody who was long 120 contracts from, what was that area we were stuck at earlier? Was 385? Maybe. Wait, was it actually? We're down there at 385. I remember 385. Uh, 10 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. It's trying to break out, but not really. I don't know, champs. I think I might call it. This is just wiggling. The spreads are horrible. It's like, this is just god awful. Gold and silver aren't doing a damn thing. NASDAQ's just wiggling here. Is the farm news coming out tomorrow? What's the farm news? We get jobless claims maybe tomorrow. Jobless claims maybe. Dude, what is with, like, look at these algorithms. They're just dancing. It's like 2-point spreads, dude. We're holding below 420 here. It might be coming down. I don't know. I don't trust this. Back to the VWAP. It's trying to come down now. Trying. It's trying its darndest to break below 405 now. Let's see. It's trying. Can it actually hold below? That becomes the question. Let's see. At 400. Let's see. It's trying to flush lower. This is ridiculous. 395. Can it make its way to 385? They're going to put on the brakes temporarily. $395. Is it going to fail? It's trying. Nope. Underneath 400, we had this same kerfuffleation happen earlier. It was like underneath 400 and it refused to break. Hey, there it goes. Hold on. Wait. It's trying. So exciting. I don't know. I feel like it's wanting to face check that 85 level again, but it might bounce up to 400 first, like this. Hold on. If it breaks back below 400, it's going to go for it. Let's see. It's trying. No. I was thinking like 385 for a possible target to the downside, but no. 400's too strong. It's going to hold that bid at 400. Yeah, GLOBEX today was just a lot to be desired. Way too much left to be desired here. It did a nice little pullback, but then it didn't have that completion, so I don't know. It's just, dude, it's just too much back and forth. I think I want to wait for tomorrow. Silver did go up. There you go. Yeah, you had that nice little pull down to 390. I was looking potentially, if we were going to sweep 385, I think that's a good short there, but nothing. Nothing. So, unfortunately, nada. Nada enchilada, baby. Silver's going, maybe gold. Yeah, look at, see, this is what I was talking about. Like NASDAQ's doing this thing where it's like dancing around, but it's refusing to move. Silver is kind of waking up here. I don't trust it though. I do not trust it. Silver, I do not trust. Nope. No shot, baby. NASDAQ still bouncing at that 400 area. Yeah, if it goes back below 400 here on that little pushback up, I feel like it can go much lower if it holds that pushback up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it, folks. It's just too slow for me. I'm gonna call it, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning, I will come back and I'm gonna do this all over again with you guys and gals. 8 o'clock in the morning. Do not miss it. I'll be back. Hopefully we can actually get some trades on. So have a good night. I will see you folks bright and early tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. I'll see you. Bye-bye.